Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TD Ameritrade migration tools, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start the authentication process with TD Ameritrade migration tools, first, visit the TD Ameritrade developer website. Once on the site, locate and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the sign up link and following the prompts. After logging in, navigate to the API section. In the API section, look for the My Apps or Create App option. Click on Create App to generate a new application for your migration tools. Fill in the required fields, such as the app name, description, and callback URL. Make sure to select the appropriate permissions you wish to grant your app. Once all details are filled in, submit the application. Your app will be assigned a unique API key. Next, you need to generate an access token by initiating the OAuth 2.0 process. To do this, create an authorization URL using your API key in specified scopes. Open the authorization URL in your web browser and log in with your TD Ameritrade account credentials. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected to the callback URL you specified earlier. Look for the authorization code in the URL parameters of the redirection. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Now, exchange your authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to TD Ameritrade's token endpoint. Include your API key, authorization code, and any necessary headers in your request. Upon successful request, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store both tokens securely for future API requests. Use the access token to authenticate your calls to the TD Ameritrade API. Remember that access tokens have a limited lifespan, requiring you to use the refresh token for new tokens periodically. With these tokens in hand, you're now ready to utilize the TD Ameritrade migration tools effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.